Hi guys, today I'm going to be making Janggu, also known as Crayon Shin-chan. I saw this Shin-chan shaved ice figure and I thought it looked so cute, so I'm going to be recreating this as a squishy today. Start off by drawing a circle. I cut mine in half because it was a little too thick, and now I'm going to shape this into a circle. Now I'm going to cut around the cup to create the rim. The cup is all finished, and now I'm going to start making the shaved ice. Afterwards, I'm going to use white puffy paint to glue the two parts together. Now I'm going to grab another cube of memory foam to create Shin-chan's head. It's kind of like a shape of a bean. To complete the head, I also created his ears and head bump. And once again, I'm going to use puffy paint to glue these down. I'm going to be painting Shin-chan's head separately just to make it easier to paint. I'm temporarily creating a Shin-chan cake pop so I can paint the bottom of his head. I'm going to paint everything with white puffy paint for the first layer, and for the second and third layers, I'm going to use the actual colors. You basically want to keep adding layers until the sponge is smooth and you don't see as many holes. Now I'm going to draw Shin-chan's face, but it's kind of giving me Coraline right now. The Coraline eyes were creeping me out, so I'm going to hurry up and paint the other features. I'm terribly sorry if I'm writing this character wrong. Also, I'm curious what this means, so if you do know, please leave it in the comments. I'm going to guess it either means ice or shaved ice. I also made Shin-chan's arm off camera. I was also supposed to make the spoon, but I was too lazy to make that. For the syrup, I wanted it to be transparent, so I'm going to mix Fabric Fusion with a little bit of puffy paint. I noticed that Fabric Fusion does dry a little bit harder than puffy paint, so it's not going to be as soft as puffy paint, but it's still squishable. And here's the completed Shin-chan squishy. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!